This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Mary Edwards. Let's go to the country. This recently remodeled 3-bedroom, 2 full bath 1,248 square feet home with a separate office offers a great location, an open floor plan and a large .40 acre yard. All this in just 5 minutes to Lake Lemon and Butler Winery and 15 minutes from Eastside shopping, restaurants and IU. The living room, kitchen and dining room are open and perfect for entertaining friends and family, or everyday easy living. The 3 bedrooms are grouped around a center hall. The owner's suite offers an updated full bath and the 2 additional bedrooms share a remodeled full bath. This home was remodeled in 2016 and offers additional features: new kitchen cabinets, new bathtubs and surrounds and vanities, new septic tank, HVAC, ductwork, insulation, siding and so much more. The driveway has new gravel too. This property is situated on a mature .40 acre lot in the rolling countryside of Monroe County. Plenty of space to park your cars, boats or campers. For a good home at a great price, see this outstanding home today.